Let me show you how you can add a tag to a task in TickTick. To do that, guys, go ahead and find any task that you want to add a tags for and just click the three dots and you'll find tags in the list. Click on tags. Now from here, you want to go ahead and give the tag a name. So let's call this one habit. Once you do that, you will see the option there. You click on it, and as you can see right away, it adds the tags right here. So here you can see that the tag is there. You have to click where it says create tag at the bottom, and so you add the tags right there, right? So for example, you can see that it's done. Let's say I want to add effort as well as a tag. I do it, I click enter, or I click the bottom where it shows the create a tag, and you can see it adds as well. Once you're done, click on OK. And as you can see right here, the tags are added to it. So let's say this one is for videos. I do the same thing. I click on tags and I can give this one videos, for example, and then click right here, create tag or hit enter, whichever, and it adds it there. And that's it. And when you have your tags, for example, you see this one doesn't have any tag, I can click three dots and I have tags I don't have to create. I can just select a tag and give it from there as well. And that's it. Once you start to create tags, you will see that you can always add more tags to it. Once a tag is already added to it, if you want to add more tags, for example, this, you will be able to quickly assign more tags here, as you can see that it's available, right? It's available to the parent one as well, as you can see. So that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.